This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the back housing on an SM-R830 smartwatch. So let's begin. First of all, what I like to do is I like to take my heat gun and just go where the screws are at and just go around so the silicone that's holding the back housing is already coming off. So then we're going to be ahead of the curve. And then I like to go on the side near where the screws are at, so the screws can get a little warm and then they come out a lot easier because they're held on by Loctite. So I like to take the 2.0 by 25 millimeter screwdriver. It's a 3-point screwdriver, which you can get on our website, and you go ahead and press down a good amount, and then you unscrew the 4 screws that are holding it down. I like to go ahead again with my heat gun. So what I like to do first is get in with a thin, very thin screwdriver flathead, and then just poke right through and just lift it up. And then once it's lifted up, I like to go around with this plastic pry tool so it doesn't damage the housing or anything. And then I like to go around completely and just pry it up, because it's a lot easier whenever you actually heat up the screen or heat up the back housing, which lets the silicone loosen up a little bit. So the back housing is up. So we'll go ahead and pull out all the screws that we will need. Alright, that would be the 4 screws. Set these aside. We'll take the replacement housing. And then what you do is take the ribbon. I usually like to hold it on one finger and kind of guide it to the right direction. And the unit will be turning on because you'll be pushing buttons while you take it apart. So I usually like to power it back off. And then you see around, and if there's a really nice seal, and depending on whether depending how old your unit is, you won't have to use silicone, or you won't have to use a glue to hold it down. But in this case, I will be using it. Just a small coat. You could hardly see it, but it's very small coat. You don't need a big coat at all. Right. Make sure it's all the way around. So I'm using the 704 glue, which I do have it in the B7000 pouch, but it is 704 glue. I'm just using the 704 glue, but we do also sell the 704 glue on our website. So we'll be putting that back on, clipping it on, and it should clip on really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our screws in. So if you got a magnetizer, to magnetize the screws so they hold on a lot better. You got this black coating on them, so it's a lot more difficult for it to stick onto a magnet. But sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll screw them back in. What's nice, you don't need to use any clamps or anything, you just screw the screws in and you should be good to go. And that is how you replace the back housing on an SM-R830 watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.